This 2024 Dutchmen Astoria Platinum 3603 LFP is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Dutchman is 40 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 8, auxiliary battery, external shower, air conditioning, awning, LP detector, refrigerator, water heater, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Dutchmen Astoria Platinum 3603 LFP is 11,430 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.